What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SHEEM, and I'm back at another reaction video. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do, okay? In today's video, we have, it feels good to say you know what to do, because you do. I've said it in the last 15, 30 videos, whatever, alright? Alright, so in this video, we have, drum roll please, XG in the Rain audio. That being said, let's get into the video.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, head over heels, nothing I fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy
Oh no, oh no, oh no. That's too smooth. Oh man. When I tell y'all, right, listen, I BS you not. I do not listen to female artists. Like, I'm not talking about reaction wise. I'm talking about real life wise. Like, outside of YouTube, when I'm going for a walk, or when I'm, when I'm bringing my daughter to school and walking back home, like when I'm just in the car. You know what I mean? In general, I feel the need to put them on, go on my phone, put their songs on, because it's like their voices are different, unique, powerful, and just beyond amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can listen to them. Other female artists, I'm not a fan of. Their music just isn't for me to listen to. So, and I listen to all music, mostly in the rap and hip hop column. You got metal, you have goth music, you have genres, rap and hip hop. All artists, female wise, I do not listen to. No, I just, it's not for me.
fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my you still running in, goodbye, so you never been like that, yeah I know it's a shame, what a pity, you got nobody to blame but your baby, night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold, can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side, so let it rain, what else can I do, ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide, still I'm standing here right where you left
Wait for the video. Wait for the video to drop. Alpha.
in the rain, rain, don't go away, please stay another day, funny how I don't wanna make it stop, hands every time it drop, each drop, but now you got me dancing.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Like you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. And you know I won't look back.
Oh, I like that part. The goodbye. When how I just top it, you know what I'm saying? I like that. I like stuff like that in songs.
All by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. And you know I won't look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a flame without me, baby. Poured down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because
They're getting deep. No, that note is crazy. Watch out for those back vocals. That's the key. That's the secret sauce to singing songs. Background vocals. If you want to comment who the vocalists are, feel free. Facts. And what I Alphas, I love y'all. Y'all don't understand. You know, not only because y'all are making the numbers on the channel look good, but because you guys bring great energy. You guys' energy with my energy, with XG's energy, it just combines so great. You know what I mean? And where am I going with this? I don't know where I was going with that. I just got caught up in the moment, for real. But great energy. Obviously, we get the great energy from the music. I love that you guys are not aggressive supporters of XG. You know what I mean? If it's something that I'm confused on, or if I ask who so-and-so is, or if I ask who the vocalist is, y'all just comment. Y'all make it simple. Y'all make my night, you make my day when you comment anything. I love y'all because I planned on doing 2 reactions only. But I ended up doing all 5 reactions tonight. So y'all got me in an XG mood. So y'all can thank yourself for that. Pat yourself on the back for that. You rung me, you robbed me out of 5 reactions. Alright, I was tired earlier. XG music woke me up. Now I feel like doing 6 more videos, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait, because we do every other day uploads now. That being said, it's your boy SHEEM, and I'm out. See you next video. Peace.